Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this TV seminar. My name is Mahdi and I'm working as a senior researcher in the geotechnical engineering field. Today I'm so pleased to have this opportunity to present this seminar to you, and our topic for today is the probabilistic data-driven framework for performance assessment of retaining walls against rockfalls. I already know that this topic is of importance for many geotechnical projects, especially those on the foot of mountainous areas and rock slope. So let's dive into our today's presentation by taking a look at these two images, which are actually taken from two rockfall occurred besides like suburban roads. What is the rockfall is like simply the detachment of a rock block from a rock slope and then falling down, which can pose the downstream community to hazards, to severe hazards. For us as researchers and also geotechnical engineers, we need to design some types of structure and retaining walls in order to decrease the risk or increase the resilience for the downstream infrastructures and communities.
Good afternoon. My name is Milad Fatehnia. I'm Senior Geotechnical Data Analyst at Dataforensics. We are a geotechnical data management software company with the fundamental premise that you should only have to input your data once. You should be able to use that data many different ways for many different purposes, but input your data once, and ideally that data should be input digitally, as close to the source of the data collection as possible. So whether that's on tablets in the field, whether that's getting your lab data automatically imported from automated data acquisition system into a lab management system, whether that's getting your institute testing data imported into a database so that you can use your borehole and institute testing data and lab testing data together. It's all about having all of your site investigation data together in one single environment, whether you can use it however you need to and transmit it to whomever you need to transmit it